Guys, today I'm going to be trying out this Wonnie Wax Warmer, and it came with a kit. I got it from Amazon for $24.99. It came with 3 bags of wax. It came with the yellow, blue, pink is what's in the warmer, and it came with the bag of sticks. And I already mixed it. Come see what it looks like. Gas station, this is what it looks like, okay? So, it's in here, and then it's here all melted.
Is it ready to go?
It's ready to go.
Alright.
Oh my god. Here we go. Oh. What?
Ew, that shit burned.
That's wax. I'm gonna have to keep it there. He has so much hair that I have to keep it there in order for it to lift.
The stick?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it.
Well, I should have just trimmed it down.
I'm nervous, actually.
What? Not about Passat.
Oh.
Hold on, Mike.
Don't rip this job.
Hold on, Mike. Don't.
Too much hair.
It's too much. Hold on.
It's too much hair. You ain't gonna get it.
Hold on. Look at that.
I don't think it's gonna. I don't think it's gonna.
It don't work. It's
Yes,
too much hair. It's
no,
too much.
it works. It's now got to. Hold on, Mike. It's not supposed to go from down. But Nancy, it's working down. It's just. Mike. That's not hurting you, Mike. Really? It's taking a lot of hair out, Nance.
What's that?
You guys think it's easy. What happened? Oh my god, look at that.
Show it. Where is it?
Oh shit.
I need to trim it down.
Yeah, it's taking out a lot of hair.
Yeah, it ain't gonna do.
Why isn't it? Damn, Mike.
The hair's too thick.
Too thick.
Yeah, you gotta go slow with his. That's why. You can't just rip it.
She's pulling my cheek. She's pulling my cheek. She's pulling my cheek.
No, hold on.
Pulling my cheek.
Did it come off?
Ah.
Oh, it came off.
Hold on, Marina. Nancy, with your nails, peel that up a little bit.
Ooh. Ooh.
Nancy can shave.
Yeah, Nancy's good at this.
Getting that shit all in my mouth.
No, Nancy.
A little. So you have to be careful because it does get hot to a certain point.
So should we put the warmer down a little bit?
Yeah.
And he's got
Okay, ready?
Now it's getting tough. Did it all come off?
Nice.
It all came off?
It's too thick.
Look.
You still got some.
Look at all that
Damn,
hair.
guys, look at this.
That's a lot of hair.
Yo, my nose, I can't breathe.
Nancy, how you let
Covering my
do this?
nose.
Nancy, how you let Marina do this to your husband?
Hey, you asked for it, you got served.
You see what us women gotta go through?
Just a little bit more.
Get what Mike's
Go.
feeling. Okay,
I am,
a
again.
little bit.
All right, go ahead. Don't hold my nose.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
Look,
It's almost off.
Almost.
Ooh.
I see.
Mike, would you ever do this again?
Nope.
Why not, babe?
If my beard is too thick.
I think it's because it's long. Too long.
I'll wash it off.
Thank you for watching my torture, and I hope you appreciate it.
Woo woo!
Woo woo!
Woo woo!
Doesn't want.
Rise up.